Fine, let us see about the reasoning part. Okay, we discussed some part of questions related to quant. Now let us focus on reasoning. Okay, so here this is related to data sufficiency. During Accenture Drive, we discussed more questions related to data sufficiency, and this is important for thesis as well. Data sufficiency related. So to answer the question, what is the data we required? So statement one alone, statement two, always we have to try. Always we have to try alone. One alone, two alone, we have to try. If not possible, then only we have to go for together. So when is Rohit's birthday? To answer that question, statement one alone, what is it possible? They said after 19th, before 25th, there are a lot of possibilities 20, 21, 22, 23. So no. Next, leap year. So leap year fine, but date, birthday date we want. Leap year also there are a lot of leap years. So statement one alone, statement two alone waste. Together also not able to find. If both together, one alone we cannot decide, two alone we cannot decide, together also we are not able to decide. So we have to go with option D. Put together are not sufficient. Both statements put together not sufficient. Data sufficiency related question. Next one related to directions. So there are many methods. One is drawing the diagram and going ahead. And if you see regularly we are following some other method without diagram also we can do. Okay, so here first thing in question there is nothing called northeast, southeast, northwest is not there. When there is no angle, then you have a shortcut. Angle is not there. Northeast, southeast like that not there means then you have a shortcut. So you started 50 meters south. From south, left direction means it's left means we have to go anti-clockwise. East will come. 70 east. From south, sir, how you take an east means left side. As they mentioned left, we have to go anti-clockwise. East will come. East left side is north. For east, right side is south. Left side is north. Okay, right means we have to go clockwise. Left means anti-clockwise. Okay, so 70 east. Then again left means I should go for north. 50 north. Then finally right. Okay, from north right means clockwise. East will come 60 east. 50 south, 50 north will cancel. As it is south and north are opposite and value also equal, we can cancel. East and east we can combine. 130 east is the answer. So option D, 130 east. From starting point, okay, this is from starting point to ending point. This is start and here it is end. From starting to ending, okay, 130 east. Sometimes they'll ask you from ending point, starting point is which direction. There are some questions from ending point, starting point is which direction means we have to go with west direction then. Distance won't change. Start to end or end to start, distance won't change. But direction is important. From starting point east, from ending point it is west. Analogy concept. Here first pair AZP is given as ZDR. You have to understand the logic. Then you have to apply TXK is what way. The AZP with certain logic is given as ZAR. Now TXK with the same logic what it's related to. It's almost related to coding and decoding topic. AZP is given as ZDR, TXK is given as what? Here A and Z, if you observe, A previous letter is Z, Z and A is Z, next letter is P, okay, Z next letter is A, P and R, if you observe P plus 2 is R, P is 16, R is 18, one letter skipping is nothing but called, okay, 2, minus 2 means previous, plus 2 means next letter likewise, so same logic, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2 we had to apply. T minus 1 means T previous letter. X next letter. X plus 1 means SY. With SY only one option and still you can check K plus 2 is nothing but M. It's almost like letter coding concept, coding and decoding. So first page some logic is there, we had to understand that and we have to apply for the second page. Analogy concept, we can expect one or two questions in reasoning. Next, this is coding and decoding with certain logic. Computer is given as GKQ LYPIN. In the same way, what is Senate is coded as. This is again similar to previous question, coding and decoding. So what is the logic we have to try? Computer is given as GKQLYPIN. Then Senate is coded as what? So what is the answer? I think still there are options. But what's your answer? W is first letter they given here. We'll check remaining options. The remaining options are here. All four options are shown. So logic is plus 4 minus 4 alternate plus 4 minus 4 is happening. So S plus 4 will be W. E minus 4 is nothing but A. And in fact, that's what waste of time if you focus on first two letters because all options first two letters are WA only. So waste of time. So think about next to two letters, then you may decide answer. N plus 4 is R. So third letter R, there only in two options. It can be A or C. Now very important is A minus 4 how to do. So can anyone say what's the answer? A minus 4? W. Good. See, we discussed in regular classes also like W is nothing but 1 or I can take 27 also. Next cycle we have 26 alphabets A1, B2 so on up to Z is 26. In next cycle we'll get A as 27, B as 20. Or else minus 4 means 3 letters we need to skip back. Minus 4 means skipping 3 letters. So Z I am skipping, Y I am skipping, X I am skipping, next should be W. Minus 4 means we have to go back, only 3 letters skipping. Plus 2 means forward direction, 1 letter skipping. Plus means forward, minus means back. So like that also you can try. We need W. So R and W is there only in option C. So likewise we can go with C option. Next again directions related question. Try this directions. How far is the starting point from her final position? Directions question. 9 meters east, then 4 meters south, 6 meters west. So east and west are opposite. Okay, you can subtract here in this concept. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 east and 4 south. A lot of people they'll add 3 plus 4, 7. No, we need always shortest distance. So it is actually 5 southeast will come. How 5, sir? Whenever you got southeast, northeast, northwest and southwest, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is nothing but 5. So why we need to apply Pythagoras theorem? You can see 3 east, 5 south. That will automatically create a right angle triangle. 3 east and 4 south. Okay, this is right angle triangle. You want shortest path means this is the one. From this point to this point, shortest path is this. Here distance means always we have to go for the shortest path. 3 and 4 will get a right angle triangle. Okay, we know adjacent side and opposite side. We want only hypotenuse. Automatically we need to apply that Pythagoras theorem. So root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is nothing but 5. Or a short way is okay whenever you got southeast, northeast, northwest. Okay, in these cases and all you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So blood relation we just mentioned that in the syllabus, and here is the question related to that. Pointing to a woman, a man said, "Her father is the only son of my father." Here, her represents women or men. The word her, right, related to women. Who said this statement? Men. So wherever my is there, we have to replace with men. Now check this. Woman father is the only son of man mother. How is man related to woman? Here, my represents man because man said that statement. And if you recall the inputs what were given, after is whatever comes, you have to read from back to front. The reason we discussed already, like brother of my father. Let us say there is a statement, brother of my father. In English, we have statement. The meaning is my brother father. Brother of my father, sorry, brother of my father means my father brother. That of if you remove, general statement I am talking about. Brother of my father. If you have a statement like this, let us say, then I can write in English same meaning, my father brother. So if you want to remove that of, we can write like this. I hope you know this in English, right? Here it's like reading back to front. My brother father. Of is there. Here also we have a word of. If you want to remove it, I have to read from back to front. Man, mother, only son. For a man, male person, mother only son means man only. Man, mother, only son. So same man will come. So that person, man, mother, only son, okay, is nothing but woman father. So this guy is woman father. So how is man related to woman is father? I can say simply all this you strike off. This is all nothing but equal to man. Woman father is man. The question is how man related to woman is father. Entire that statement after is simplified as man. Okay, man said only son of my mother is same that so entire meaning is man. Woman father is man. Question is that only. How is man related to woman is father? How is woman related to man? How is woman related to man? They may change that question like how is woman related to man? Somebody said niece. Okay. How is woman related to man? Man related to woman father. Woman related to man for the same question. Daughter. Nothing, not like niece and all. Daughter. They'll change that point, so please be clear. Again, data sufficiency related. So what they're asking, which will have the lowest ionization energy. So this is chemistry, nowhere related to us. Fine, I agreed, but they given some data. See, first line what they given, ionization energy decreases with the increasing size of metal. So ionization energy is inversely proportional to size of atom. So if size increases, ionization energy decreases. Now I want lowest ionization energy, means the one which is having highest size. So that is there in statement 1 alone. Okay, which one is having lowest ionization energy? They said cesium has the largest size. When size is largest, ionization energy is lowest. So statement 1 alone. Okay, statement 2, okay, sodium is between potassium, lithium. I cannot decide which is the highest among that, but I have statement 1 alone. So we can go with option A. So why can't you try together? When alone is possible, means it's simple. When one person can do the job, why I need two people? It's as simple as, okay, one person alone can do the job. Okay, let us go ahead with that. Why two people? Together means like two people. One alone is possible. I no need to go for together. When alone is there, don't try together. So option A alone is first one. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer. Data sufficiency. And again analogy related, the one which we discussed just now. So think about this question. 24, 50 somehow related. You understand the logic. Then 1 or 2 is same logic we have to apply 24 and 50. There are n number of points comes to your mind. Some people say, so 24 is 5 square minus 1, 50 is 7 square plus 1. That way also correct only. 24 5 square minus 1, 50 7 square plus 1. But 1 or 2 is 10 square plus 2. It's not matching. Or else, okay, so this is 10 square plus 2, next one is 11 square minus 2. That also correct. Maybe, okay, 10 square plus something minus something there, same number. Lot of logics, but here, okay, out of some people say so plus 26, I'll add 26 here. Option is not there. Okay, yeah, fine. 206 is correct because double plus 2 or add 1 and then double. 24 plus 1 is 25. Increase by 1, then double. Here also increase by 1, then double, or multiplied by 2 plus 2. Multiplied by 2, then adding 2. Okay, or add this value 1, then double. Anything, both same meaning only, in fact. 206. There may be many logics in your mind, but options also required. Somebody said 24 is 3 cube minus 3 7. Okay, but depends. The options need to be, okay, satisfying that, and we need logic should be similar one. Then a lot of things will comes to picture, but check it out. See the next question. Again, blood relations. Rahul went to his mother-in-law's only son's daughter, husband, son's maternal uncle, and asked for some money. We may question, sir, why to go that much distance to ask money? We'll download loan app, ask money immediately. But kind request, okay, some companies, okay, 70s companies, one of the recruiter for HCL, they're checking who are having loan apps, they're rejecting their background verification. Because what is happening in these loan apps, no, they'll get access to all your contacts. HRs also getting calls because they are in their contact. Okay, their all contact details will be have access for those apps. And those people, when you don't pay amount, no, they'll call to everybody in that. So the HRs also getting calls of your so and so person is not paying amount to us. So that's why now they are also taking that as a criteria. Those who taken loans in these apps and all, okay, not that home loan or some other education loan and all, this loan apps, okay, the basic amounts, they are rejecting those people in background verification. So don't do those things. Okay. Now, okay, sir, is this question we have to do from back to front or front to back? Is there anything called off and on? Why you have to read from back to front when there is a word of? OF off is there. Okay, my brother father. Okay, father of my brother is my brother father, like that. We read. Okay, but here you don't have that. You can read directly. So his means Rahul. Rahul mother. Okay, we'll draw diagram. Rahul mother. Mother-in-law's only son. Okay, for this person, mother-in-law means Rahul mother. Okay, means Rahul father mother, mother-in-law. Rahul mother, mother-in-law means Rahul father mother. So Rahul father's mother, right? So now only son means this guy only will come. It's very easy. Don't complicate it. Okay, if you keep going, right, use pen and paper, things will be easy. Rahul mother, mother-in-law means husband, mother. Only son means husband. So Rahul mother, husband. Rahul father is that guy. So I have done up to here. Only son. Daughter means Rahul's sister. For this person, daughter means Rahul's sister. Okay, sister. Husband, son, maternal uncle. Okay, for this guy, maternal uncle means mother brother. So this person brother is Rahul, but himself is not given. Means Rahul may have some other brothers also. Rahul may have some other brothers. They didn't mention Rahul mother has only one son, not mentioned. Okay, Rahul may have some brother and sisters also. So yes, brother is the answer. A typical question, Rahul, mother, mother-in-law. You read it clearly. Rahul, mother, mother-in-law. Okay. Rahul, mother, this is clear. For this mother-in-law means we can consider like, for female, mother-in-law means husband, mother. Right. So for this person, husband, mother. Only son means this guy will come. Rahul, father will come. So Rahul, father, daughter means Rahul's sister. Sister, husband, son. Okay, for that person, maternal uncle. Maternal uncle means always from mother side. Mother, brother, in fact. So for this guy, mother is this person. Okay, so brother for that is Rahul, but Rahul himself is not given. Means Rahul may have one more brother. So Rahul brother, this person, how related to Rahul is Rahul brother. Good question actually related to blood relation. There is some depth in the question given in AMCAT only. We have around 14 questions in reasoning. We are discussing one set around 14 questions now. We're done with 9. We have only 5 questions to close. Now, what about this series? We discussed analogy, okay, series now, blood relation, coding and decoding, data sufficiency. Here 956, 54, sorry, 135, 252. What is next one? Option B. Okay, so what's your logic? Yeah. Sum of digits is 9 every number. That's one simple logic. There is other way of solving this question, I agree. But simple logic here is every number sum of digits is 9. 54, 5 plus 4, 9. 135, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. 252, 2 plus 5 plus 2, 9, like that. The original logic is it is slow increasing. You can take difference between numbers. The difference is 45. Here difference is 81. Here difference, if you check it out, how much? 117. Here 36 difference. Here 36 difference. Again 36 required means 153. For 250 to 153 added, it's 405. Okay, you got 400. Slow increasing. When numbers are slow increasing, they asked in GATE exam also this year, every set almost very basic questions related to series. So slow increasing only they given. Slow increasing can be done by taking differences. Fast increase means multiplication. Slow increase means differences, taking differences, some addition happen. So likewise we can apply. Next one related to coding and decoding again. Eagle is given as FZHKF. What is the logic for tanks? Same thing if you apply for tanks. Eagle is somehow related to this. Plus 1, minus 1. Okay, answer C. Good. So plus 1, minus 1 if you do, for first two letters is T plus 1, H minus 1. P plus 1 is U. H minus 1 is nothing but G. So with UG only first option available. So plus 1, minus 1 alternately keep going. And sometimes, okay, which is coded as tanks, they'll ask. Something after doing plus 1, minus 1 is given as tanks. What is the original one, they'll ask. There are some questions like that, you have to read it properly. That's why one of the options maybe they're given here like that. Something after doing plus 1, minus 1 is given as tanks. So you have to do minus 1 plus 1, then you will get original one. The question will be like, what is coded as tanks? What is the code for tanks is different. What is coded as tanks means for something you applied plus 1 minus 1, the result is tanks. You want original one. Okay, for this you have to apply minus 1 plus 1, then you will get it. That's called decoding. When you do coding plus 5, in decoding you have to do minus 5. When I am sending you next letter, you want original one means you have to write previous letter. That's what coding. While sending, okay, written next letter, that's what coding. While receiving, you want original means you have to write previous letter. That's what decoding. They ask which is to be coded as or which is coded as tanks. Then you have to find the original one. So you have to read the questions properly. And this is what logical sequence of words. Whether it is size or process or with certain logic, we need to put this in a order, sequential order. This is one type of question very frequently you can find in AMCAT platforms. Arranging the words in a meaningful order, best meaningful order. As per the size, right? Okay. Every option starts with 1 ending with 5. This is regarding size. So Muscato is the smaller one among all. Ending with 5. So we have a dog. Right. So in between. So rat, cockroach, lizard. So rat, before this two should be there. So anyhow, again, two options eliminated. Then we have to decide among cockroach and lizard. So which one? Is it 3-4 or 4-3? We have both available. 4-3 and 3-4 both are available. Cockroach or lizard? As per the size. No, not regarding weight. Not regarding weight. So yeah, 3-4 is best suitable. It seems. 3-4, not 4-3. It seems 3-4. Next, odd one out. This is also one of the important thing. Among options, one is different one. We have to identify which is the different one. Odd man out. Among 4 options, all follow one logic. It is not series. Don't say first letter is A, next is D, how T and M. Don't go in that way. It's actually like, okay, individually, first one there is some logic. Okay, same logic in second one, third one may not follow that logic. Individually, okay, 3 will follow same logic, one is different. AEK is different. Okay. First two letters you observe. D, what is missed? E, okay. Or else we'll put all numbers. Okay. Maybe that's better for you. 4, 6, 8. What is the difference here? 2 difference. Here this is 13, 15, 17. What's the difference? 2 difference. Here 20, 23, 26. Difference is 3, 3. At least common difference is there. 3 and 3, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. But here 1, 5, 11. Difference here 4. Difference here 6. Not matching. Odd one out is this. So what I can understand remaining all options except first one, understand that okay, at least common difference is required. Difference must be same. But that is not followed in option A. That's why we eliminated. Remaining all options satisfied that logic except option A. Difference should be 2. Okay, sometimes that also they'll do. All options have difference 2, 2, 2. One is having difference 3. But here among these 4, we can go with A because remaining have a common difference 2, 2, 2, 2. Here 3, 3 something like. But here this is not satisfied. So odd one out is that. Yes, there is one more question. Pick the odd man out. A, B. So D is 4, J is 10. What is the difference? 6. K is 11, R is 18. Difference 7. That's middle one. M is 13, S is 19. Difference is 6 given middle one. So this is 20, 26. Difference is 6, but they given us 4. So that's odd one out. So this is one set of paper related to reasoning.